Hi guys, this is Realme GT Neo5 SE and it is the best designed smartphone of 2023. So let's start with unboxing. Just after unbox there is secure box which includes SIM ejector tool, some documents and a hard back case as well. That is good for protection. Afterward there is smartphone. We will discuss it later, keep aside for a while. Then there is one big USB Type A 100W super box charger and a USB Type A to Type C cable. This was the box content. Now we are going to discuss smartphone. Guys, smartphone first look is very impressive. It is very beautiful smartphone. Starting with the design, at the top you will find camera system. In above ring there is single camera and below ring include dual camera system. On the right side there is flashlight, and if you move below from the left side you will see two color stripes coming downward, Realme written at the bottom. Below it Realme slogan "Dare to Leap" is written. Guys, it is color changing glass back that is curved but front is totally flat. Now moving to the ports and button, on right side you will find power button. On left side there is volume rocker. At the bottom there is primary speaker, Type C port, primary mic, SIM tray, and at the top there is secondary mic. So overall frame thickness is around about 9mm. So overall thickness is little bit high, but due to curved back your hand feel will be very good. Now moving on to the display, the Realme GT Neo5 SE features a 6.7 inches OLED screen with a resolution of 1.5K and a pixel density of around 451 ppi, and it also supports 1 billion colors as well. The display has 144Hz refresh rate, which makes the scrolling and animation on the phone incredibly smooth. The peak brightness of the screen can go up to 1400 nits, which is quite impressive for a mid-range smartphone. So overall this display is totally value for money. Now moving to the performance, under the hood the Realme GT Neo5 SE runs on Android 13 with Realme UI 4.0 on the top. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 chipset that is based on 4nm technology, and it is the latest chipset with 2.9 GHz clock speed and Adreno 725 graphics as well. About RAM, the phone comes in 3 different configurations, that is 8, 12 and 16GB, and about storage you can go up to 1TB. So overall this performance according to this price is totally top notch. You will not find any lag in it. Moving on to the camera, the Realme GT Neo5 SE features a triple camera system on the back consisting of a 64MP primary sensor and 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP macro lens as well. This camera also supports HDR and panorama as well. So overall this camera is average in this price range. You can find similar camera system. And talking about video recording, you can do 4K video recording on 30fps. Moving to the front, you will find 16MP selfie camera, and from it you can do 1080p video recording on 30fps. The Realme GT Neo5 SE also has several connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and infrared port as well, but unfortunately it does not have a headphone jack, but it does have a stereo speaker. Lastly, let's talk about battery and charging capability of Realme GT Neo5 SE. It has a largely 5500 mAh battery that can easily use for 1 or 2 days. It also supports 100W fast charging, which is one of the fast charging speed on any smartphone in this price range. If we conclude our complete review, the Realme GT Neo5 SE an excellent mid-range smartphone with impressive specification and features. It has stunning OLED display, powerful Snapdragon chipset and fast charging support as well. But in this price range you can check out Realme 10 Pro Plus as well, that has very good design, and Redmi Note 12 Turbo as well, that is giving you very good features. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.